Creating a project management playbook from scratch can significantly enhance the way your team executes projects, ensuring consistency, clarity, and efficiency. A playbook outlines your organization's best practices, standard procedures, tools, and methodologies, making it easier for everyone to stay aligned. Whether you're working on complex projects or managing small teams, a well-constructed playbook can streamline your processes and improve project outcomes. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to build a project management playbook from scratch, along with a free 2025 template to help you get started. Step 1. Define the purpose of your playbook. Before you dive into building the playbook, it's important to define its purpose. Ask yourself, what specific problems is the playbook solving? Who is the playbook for? Project managers, team members, stakeholders. What goals do you want to achieve with this playbook? Consistency, improved communication, better risk management. The playbook can serve as a guide for new team members to understand the processes and tools used in your organization, a reference for experienced team members to ensure everyone follows best practices, a resource for stakeholders to align with your project management methodology and expectations. Step 2. Identify key sections of the playbook. The structure of your playbook will depend on your team's needs and the complexity of your projects. However, here are the key sections that every project management playbook should include. 1. Introduction and purpose. Explain the overall goal of the playbook. Highlight who should use it and when. Include an overview of how the playbook is organized. 2. Project management methodology. Outline your organization's preferred project management methodologies, example, Agile, Waterfall, Scrum, or a hybrid approach. Describe how and when to apply each methodology depending on the project type. 3. Roles and responsibilities. Define the roles within a project, example, project manager, business analyst, scrum master, product owner, etc. Clearly outline the responsibilities of each role, including the key tasks they must complete at each phase of the project. 4. Project lifecycle stages. Detail the phases of the project lifecycle and what happens at each stage. Initiation. Defining the project scope and objectives. Planning. Developing the project plan, including timelines, resources, and budget. Execution. Managing the team, tasks, and deliverables. Monitoring and controlling. Tracking progress, managing risks, and making necessary adjustments. Closing. Finalizing the project, reviewing lessons learned, and closing contracts. For each phase, list the key deliverables and checklists that must be completed. 5. Tools and technology. Provide a list of the tools your team uses for project management, example, Asana, Jira, MS Project, Monday.com. Include a short description of how each tool is used, such as for task management, communication, document sharing, or reporting. You can also include step-by-step guides for new users to get started with these tools. 6. Communication plan. Outline how communication will flow within the team and with stakeholders. Detail the types of meetings, example, daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, project status meetings, and the frequency of each. Describe your preferred communication channels, example, Slack, Microsoft Teams, email, and expectations for response times. 7. Risk management framework. Explain how to identify, assess, and mitigate risks throughout the project. Include a template for the risk register where project managers can track potential risks, their likelihood, impact, and mitigation strategies. 8. Quality management. Define your approach to quality assurance and quality control. Include key metrics that you track to ensure project deliverables meet stakeholder expectations. Add a checklist for conducting quality reviews and ensuring standards are met. 9. Change management process. Outline how changes in scope, timelines, or budgets should be handled. Provide a change request template that team members can fill out to propose changes. Explain the process for reviewing, approving, or rejecting changes. 10. Project closure checklist. Provide a step-by-step checklist for closing a project, including delivering final reports, conducting post-project reviews, and sharing lessons learned. Ensure that financials are finalized, contracts are closed, and stakeholders sign off on the project completion. Step 3. Develop standard templates. To make your playbook more actionable, include templates for key project management documents. These templates can be used by your team to ensure consistency across projects. Examples include Project Charter Template. Define the project's scope, objectives, stakeholders, and timeline. Project Plan Template. Document the detailed plan for execution, including tasks, milestones, and resources. Risk Register Template. Track project risks, mitigation strategies, and owners. Stakeholder Communication Plan. Outline how you will communicate with different stakeholders, including the frequency and methods. Change Request Template. Standardize the process for submitting, reviewing, and approving change requests. Pro tip: use cloud-based tools, example Google Docs, Confluence, Notion, for your templates to make them easily accessible and editable by your team. Step 4. Customize for your organization's needs. While it's helpful to use best practices from established frameworks like PMBOK, Scrum, or Agile, make sure your playbook is customized to your organization's specific processes and culture. Here are some ways to customize. Tailor the methodology. If your organization uses a hybrid of Agile and Waterfall, be sure to include guidance on when to use each method and how to transition between them. Adapt to team structure. Adjust the roles and responsibilities section to reflect the structure of your team, whether it's a small startup or a large enterprise. Company-specific tools. Include guidance on internal tools, software, or workflows that are unique to your organization. Step 5. Make the playbook accessible and update regularly. Once your playbook is complete, it's essential that all team members have easy access to it. You can host it on your company's intranet, document management system, or collaboration tool. Ensure that the playbook is a living document. Update it regularly. As new tools, processes, and methodologies are introduced, ensure that the playbook is updated to reflect these changes. Request feedback from team members. Encourage team members to suggest improvements to the playbook based on their experiences. Step 6. Train your team on the playbook. Once your playbook is in place, it's crucial to train your team on how to use it effectively. You can host workshops. Walk through each section of the playbook with your team and answer any questions. Create tutorial videos. Record short videos explaining how to use the templates and tools. Provide ongoing support. Make sure team members know where to go if they have questions or need clarification. Free 2025 Project Management Playbook Template. To help you get started, here's a free 2025 playbook template that you can customize for your organization. You can use this structure to build your own project management playbook. Section 1. Introduction and Purpose. Overview of the playbook's purpose and who it's for. Section 2. Project Management Methodology. Explanation of methodologies used: Agile, Waterfall, Scrum. Section 3. Roles and Responsibilities. Key roles and their responsibilities. Section 4. Project Lifecycle Stages. Breakdown of each phase and key deliverables. Section 5. Tools and Technology. List of tools used for project management and collaboration. Section 6. Communication Plan. Details on meeting types, frequency, and communication channels. Section 7. Risk Management Framework. How to identify, assess, and mitigate risks. Section 8. Quality Management. Metrics for quality control and assurance. Section 9. Change Management Process. Steps for handling changes in scope, time, or budget. Section 10. Project Closure Checklist. Steps to finalize the project and document lessons learned. Templates. Project Charter Template. Project Plan Template. Risk Register Template. Stakeholder Communication Plan Template. Change Request Template. Building a project management playbook from scratch ensures your team has a clear, consistent, and structured approach to managing projects. By organizing your processes, tools, and templates into a comprehensive playbook, you empower your team to deliver projects efficiently and consistently across the board. For more tips and templates on project management, subscribe to my channel, where I share practical tools and strategies to help you excel in project management in 2025.